Isa ka din bang katulad ko na nagtataka kung paano niraranking ang mga aplikante tuwing applyan sa PNP? At kung paano tayo hinahati-hati at kinaklasify as una, ikalawa, ikatlo at ikaapat na priority tuwing recruitment season? Tara alamin natin! Based on NAPOLCOM Circular Number 2021-001, or also known as Prescribing Guidelines and Procedures for the Recruitment, Selection, and Appointment of Patrolman/Patrolwoman, Section 4, Letter C, Number 2, for attrition, recruitment, Letter E, states the following. 1. First priority, those coming from the adjacent cities/municipalities. 2. Second priority, those coming from other cities/municipalities within the province or district. 3. Third priority, those coming from any part of the region. And 4. Fourth priority, those coming from other region. Ngayong alam mo na may sinusunod na alituntunin dito at hindi lang trip or katang-isip ang batayan ng pagka-classify ng mga aplikante at lalong hindi din ito dahil sa may backer ka. Paalam!